I'm sleeping, been driving all night and need some coffee. I pulled into a truck stop in Texas. Need a cup of Joe. A little place called Hamburger Dance. And I heard that old jukebox a-playing a song about a truck driving man. Well, pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. Well, the waitress then brought me some coffee. I thanked her and called her again. I said that old song sure does fit me, for I am a truck driving man. Well, pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. Waitress, won't you pour another cup of coffee? I'm about to fall asleep in my breakfast for sure. Now some coffee would do me a favor with flavor. Keep pouring it up, don't short my cup, don't let it cool, keep it hot. Well, I climbed back on board my old semi, and then in a flash I was gone. I got them old truck wheels were rolling. Now I'm on my way to San Antonio. So pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put another nickel in the boom, ba doom, and play that truck drive 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 and man.